Bonjour French chic ladies, it's Marianne, and in this video today I will talk about how you can visually minimize a big bust. If you're new to my channel, a big welcome to you. Please click subscribe, click on that little bell in order to receive the notifications, and also please like and share this video with your many friends. Merci. Bonjour French chic ladies, I'm having a cup of tea with you today. And you can do the same. For those of you out there in my community, I have a page on Facebook on which I go live very often, and it's a coffee or tea with Marianne. So I have many of my viewers, my French chic ladies, who actually drink the coffee and the tea with me, and we have a very good chat, really have fun on this live stream. So if you like that kind of interaction, if you would like that kind of interaction with me live, I will put the link below this video for my Facebook page. So today in this video, how to minimize a big bust. I hear from many of you who have a big bust and are not quite sure how to visually minimize the bust in a way that is flattering. So in this video, I will give you a few tips. I love giving tips and techniques. So the first one, a really simple one. I am wearing this shirt, and this shirt has vertical stripes, it's pinstripes. So this is very minimizing, this is flattering, okay? The eye goes in a vertical manner, it visually slims you. And I have mentioned that in a number of videos, but this also goes for big bust, okay? The second thing as well is the V neckline, okay? A V neckline is flattering for a large bust. Why? Because you haven't got as much expanse here of fabric, of material, okay? This is why, for instance, it is more flattering for somebody with a small bust, like me, for instance, to wear high necklines, which I tend to wear usually high necklines, okay? So wear something that is V-neck like this, okay? But this one is quite a stiff shirt for the office, which is good because in the office you don't want to, show too much. So when you wear a V-neck, a shirt open like this, or with a sweater, with a dress, it visually minimizes the expanse of your bust, okay? Because if you were a high neckline, your bust appears wider, okay? It appears larger than it is. So that's another very good tip. Another tip that is very simple to do is when you wear a V neckline is to wear a pendant necklace. So this necklace, for instance, is absolutely perfect for this because it makes the eye go down. Again, vertical way, the vertical way that the eye sees, and minimizes your bust, and it directs the eye to the center here of your bust, okay? So this is visually minimizing. So this necklace is beautiful. It's a silver necklace called Diane from somebody you know on YouTube, from Justine Lecomte. I will put the link below to her necklace if you are interested. I'm not an affiliate or anything, I just love this necklace. And if you like Justine, leave a comment on one of the videos and say hello from me and tell her that you liked her necklace. So again, this is a tip that works to visually minimize a big bust. I have something else for you, of course, for many women who have this problem when they wear a blouse or a shirt. What is it? Okay, you're sitting down and your shirt gapes here at the bust. Please let me know in the comments below if this happens to you. Yes, does this happen to you? I am sure it does. And it doesn't even matter the size of your bust, because I have a small bust, and sometimes, and also depends on the type of bra you wear. Because sometimes if you wear a padded bra, for instance, it creates more of a volume, and your shirt that does not usually gapes, gape open. So it gapes here, it gapes there, and it's unsightly, it's a little bit embarrassing, and sometimes when it does that too much, and if it pulls here, what happens is the button can fall off, or it cannot button itself, and you are not even aware of this. Please let me know if that happens to you. So something like that, we don't want it to happen when you are at work, in front of your colleagues, or doing a presentation at work, or talking to a client, or something like this. It's very unsightly. So I say a little bit embarrassing. So if you find shirts like this one is from Marks and Spencer's. I will put the link below if it's still around. I mean, I've had it for a while, so I don't know yet. But this one has a hidden button here, and a hidden button, further down. So at the bust area, and the hidden button, buttons up on the inside. So you don't even see it, but the shirt does not gape open. Can you see that? So I have a small bust, so I can't do it with just my bust, but look, I am pulling, okay, on the shirt here, outward, and the shirt does not gape open. So this is a very good tip for you. Look for those blouses or those shirts that have those hidden buttons, so that your shirt or your blouse does not gape open. So again, please let me know if this is a problem for you. And this is a very good tip. So when I'm here, I have not finished. I've got something else for you. But when I'm here, I wanted to give you something, give you a little gift about minimizing a big bust. I have just finished my program, How to Minimize a Big Bust. And I wanted to give you 10% early bird. So I'll give you the link below. It's a coupon code that gives you 10% off. And there are non-modules, videos coming in as well. So, it gives you many, many techniques, and also shows you clothes that are flattering, and also the clothes to avoid. What to avoid in clothes, what make your bust even larger, and which are the pieces that visually minimizes you. What are the thing to look for and the things to avoid. So that was your little gift for today. So now I wanted to talk about, when I'm talking about a big bust, I was thinking about that because I'm a horse rider. Some of you may know already. So I go horse riding once a week. And of course, horse riding is an extreme sport for the bust, okay? For instance, sitting trot, I do a lot of sitting trot, and, you bounce up and down. Well, you don't bounce up and down, but your bust would bounce up and down without a bra, of course. So, and also, for instance, jogging. Jogging is an extreme sport for your bust. It bounces up and down, So you need to keep your bust in one place, because, that has adverse consequences. It is not comfortable. It may hurt. So you want to feel comfortable, okay? So I have just bought recently, and I know the brand because my other bras for horse riding were in that brand, and it's called Shock Absorbers. I don't know if you know that brand, but I mean, I'll show you close up. That bra is amazing. I mean, the bust does not move. It does not move. You have thick straps, and the straps are padded. You have, you have 3 double fasteners here, and you also have an extra fastener at the back, okay, higher up than the normal band, okay, so then you can adjust. So your bust is very well encased. It does not move. It's so very comfortable as well. Here as well, you have, you can shorten the strap. Oh, it's really good. It's a little bit padded as well. Very comfortable. As I say, if you don't know a brand of bra for you, if you go jogging, for instance, or horse riding, or anything that makes your bust jiggles and go up and down, this is a very good brand. I will put the link also. Yes, I'm an affiliate. And it's not a sponsored video by Shock Absorbers. I just know them. I wear this brand for horse riding, and I tell you, thank you, Shock Absorber, to keep my bust in place. And I have a small bust, but I still wear a bra like this, you know, because to protect my bust. So I wanted to show you this on this video. So please let me know below this video if you have a big bust, if you have problems. What are the problems, the daily problems you encounter with having a big bust? Let's have a look. Let's start a conversation and let's see how we can, you know, how I can help you and everything. So here you are, how to visually minimize a big bust. Please leave a comment below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget your 10% coupon code for my early bird. This, I have not even, you know, promoted this course. Has just gone live this morning. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in my next video. Au revoir.